go, boys and girls. We've got the Windgoo. We're going to do a new video. We're going to do a speed run on it, giving you information of the top speed that I've achieved on it and how we basically work it. So a couple of quick modifications had to do. Lost the old back mud flap, don't know where that went. So we made one, but yeah, so that's it. This is what I do. I basically put it in the back of the van, go up the road, and then come back on it. So let's get it in the boot. Basically, goes in any car. Easy as pie. Off that comes. Got the little protector bit. Take that off. Slip that down. Power off. Tapping in. Close it down. See you at the other side. See you in a bit. So there we have it, boys and girls. That is the Windgoo. That's the ride back I do, the top speed. What, we got 21 out of that down the hill, which is not bad going. So if you like the video and you want to see some more on the Windgoo, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and then I can know what videos are doing good and what to make more of. So like, subscribe, ring the bell, we'll see what's going on. Anything else I find out about it or any questions you want to know, send us a message. So take care for now. Cheers.